So Charmaine, what's up? What are you cooking today?
Mutton pulao.
Oh, mutton pulao.
I'm sorry, no,
Wow.
mutton curry.
Okay, mutton curry. Okay. So Charmaine आज बना रही है mutton curry. Charmaine all the way from Philippines to the Mira Road. Okay, very nicely, finely chopped onion, green chili, garlic, and ginger. So Charmaine is ready. So what we use here is healthy mustard oil. If you cook in mustard oil, वो हेल्थ के लिए सेहत के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा होता है. Yes, she is a professional cook. She cooks once in a week. But she does make.
Once in every, no, twice in a month.
Yeah, so today our cook is taken off. So we are going to make some food by ourselves. So we thought of sharing it with you guys.
Yes.
You can also make a note if you want to make a note, because what she makes is very delicious mutton curry. हाँ क्या बोलते Charmaine? So after putting mustard oil, I think what are you gonna do? You're gonna put some cumin seeds and okay, you're gonna put.
I didn't remove this.
Okay, you're peeling off the garlic.
No, I didn't peel it because it's too small.
But you're gonna put first ginger, garlic, and then the onions and stuff. Yeah. Okay. Cool. While cooking, it will be removed. Okay, that's something new. I usually remove the peel.
I learned it from my mom.
Okay.
It's like sometimes it gets removed.
Wow, the garlic when you fry it, it smells good. Let me just make it faster. Okay. Let's do it, man. Oh, now the garlic.
Ginger.
Oh, sorry. First garlic and then
I
ginger.
prefer to put the garlic first, then ginger.
Okay.
Then just soak it for some time.
Green chili. So 5 green chili, little bit of garlic, little bit of ginger. Why only 1 potato, man? I love potatoes.
Yes, there will be.
Okay, there will be. Okay, there will be. She's still going to do 2 more. Yeah, I love potatoes. So how long does it take for the food to be cooked? I think 30 minutes in the pressure cooker should be good enough.
Yes.
Okay. And
Half an hour.
we are putting onions. So
We need
now
to get the powder. Mommy! Coriander? And cumin powder.
Yeah, coriander.
Both are coriander.
Cumin is inside.
Cumin is the...
cumin is here. Here, this is cumin powder. It's written.
There.
भूख लगी. 2 चम्मच, 3 चम्मच. Okay. 3 spoons cumin powder. It's a good fragrance. And turmeric. 1 spoon.
Not really.
Not even 1. Okay, so like
It's
a
1
quarter.
teaspoon also.
छोटा थोड़ा सा. Just to keep it in the game. अभी ये क्या है?
What is that?
Red chili powder.
Red chili powder.
Okay. Okay, 1 only, because we already put 5 green chilies.
Would I put this? And this is a coriander powder.
Okay, coriander powder looks fresh and. Okay, 2 चम्मच coriander, 3 चम्मच cumin डालिए, 2 चम्मच red chili powder, and you have to put salt.
Yes.
Little bit turmeric, थोड़ा सा, ज़्यादा नहीं. अब क्या है? Okay, so we use pink salt only. Yeah, Himalayan salt. Oh, nice. You see, I didn't even cut, and within 10 minutes she made it ready. Super quick. Superwoman, super quick. Okay, so you're gonna put mutton now. Mutton pieces, looks awesome. Oh, yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy. Okay, let me just put it here. So I think this is it, because after
Yeah.
this, did
I
you
just
put
need-
salt already? Oh, yeah, you
I
put
just
salt.
need it to just put it in 2-3
So-
minutes to get it fried.
So 2-3 minutes so that all the masala sticks nicely to the mutton.
Yes.
And it gets so lot of good flavor. We're gonna definitely share it with you once it is cooked, and when we start eating. That's going to be the real test and feedback. But I'm sure she makes delicious food. Do you want to put black pepper?
Afterwards.
Okay, so black pepper also is gonna come. So more or less this is it, and once this you know, we fry it for like 5 to 10 minutes so that all the mutton it sticks the masala, and then we will put some water, and we will add potato as well. That is going to be the process, right? And from whom did you learn this? No, not from me. I thought you learned it from me. Okay. Because I used to cook as well. I mean, not I used
Yeah,
to. I
I've
do.
learned it. But afterwards, I'm checking in YouTube.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
So you guys also check it out.
10 years
Our
already.
channel on YouTube. We have. I'll be putting the link in the description. Our channel name is FZ Station. You can subscribe there.
Subscribe. If you like our video.
Wow.
How many minutes now?
Oh, the sensor. Okay. Huh.
It's very hot.
Yeah, it is. It is humid today. What date it is today? It's
14.
15th of October. So 15th of October, usually in India, this is after rains. The rains just got finished last month, and yeah, so it's going to be a little bit hot for another 15 days, and then we will be entering the winter season, which is pleasant. Let me show you outside how it is. We're on the first floor. I don't know if you can see clearly. There's a lot of grill here because we are in the kitchen. But let me show you from the outside. So this is my bedroom, guys, and this is outside our house. This is the place where we hang clothes, and yeah, this is our sitting area just to chill it. So what did you put? Salt?
I just put cubes, beef cubes.
Okay. This is, where did you get it from? Dubai?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we have received it yesterday, the package.
Okay.
But
So she put Maggi cubes in it, and Maggi cube, right? It is, or is it a different brand? We don't buy Maggi, but yeah, there is another brand Let me
forgot
just
the name.
open and check. It's from Dubai.
Nor, I think it's
Nor, yeah.
Yes.
So,
Nor.
Nor cubes.
Okay, I think now it's time to put
Wow, man, it looks so flavorful. It looks so delicious. Yeah, you're gonna put water now. So, glass of water to make it mutton curry. Oh, so my beautiful wife, while she's spraying, she's going to check if it is ready and cooked. I think now we're going to put potato. What, you're going to put potato now?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I have to check it first.
Okay, let's see. Let's see how it is. Both of us, good boy, good girl.
So yeah, if I'll
Yeah.
wait it for about
Okay.
10 minutes. Okay. And now I will not close the lid.
Is it?
No.
Okay.
I'll just keep it
Because
in.
otherwise the potato will go full mash.
Yes. That's okay. So I have added going to add more water.
Thank you very much, my lovely wife, for cooking for me and for yourself and for everyone. And I'm going to
Don't
enjoy. I'm
have cook
super
today, that's why.
hungry. Super duper hungry.
Oh, bring more white for you.
Oh, Charmin, it is hot and I'm gonna try the first bite. I'm gonna take some potato with mutton and Bismillah.
Let me hold it for you.
Mmm.
Put stand. Are you sure this is
It is
tasty?
amazing, man.
Last moment.
Delicious.
Last moment.
Super. Outstanding.
Yeah.
It is, yeah? How is it?
It's tasty.
Oh, thanks a lot. I'm going to enjoy my food, guys. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.